In this video, I'll show you how, where the two fuse boxes are located on your Kia Spectra. There's two of them. The first one is to go on the driver footwell. And over here, you're gonna find this panel that is saying fuse. Stick your finger, pull it out, and here is your first fuse box. Now it's a bit deep inside. I'll put links in the description if you want a fuse puller that is extended so you can reach them easier. But overall, you also have a free one that comes right over here on the cap. Okay. To use it, it's just like a tweezer. Okay, you take the fuse and you pull it out. And you also have a fuse box diagram right over here to help you. The second fuse box is located under the hood. So I'll just open the hood of this car and go there. Go on the right side and you're gonna see Kia fuse relay block. Push this latch. Oops, you see, it has unlocked this part. There's another latch that you need to push here. And here is your second fuse box. If you check on this side, you're gonna find another diagram telling you exactly which fuse is which, so it's easier for you to replace the one that needs to be replaced. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get new fuses from Amazon, also pull devices and other stuff. Check them out, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment also.